guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing well. This is the second part of our chit chat bot or chit chat bot, whatever you want to say. And in this video, we are going to learn or going to do all the processing part. And if you haven't seen the last part of this video or this project, you can go back to my channel and see over there. We have nothing done much great things over there. We have just created our tkinter user interface by using tkinter. Okay, so let me run it and show you how much we have done in our last video. So this was the things that we have done in the last video. We have just created a window, a text plane, entry plane, entry widget and a button widget, right? Now one more thing to add is we have to say root dot resizable resizable, oh sorry, resizable false comma false, right? So what will this do is it will just block the usage of our minimize and maximize button over here. You can see, so we can't minimize or maximize this window, right? So here there is no function added, so we are going to add it over here. So as you know that we have just passed this def function over here, our send function. So we are going to work on that. Totally we are going to work on that. So the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to globalize our user variable glob global user, or you can say a over here, right? Dot a. So what we have done is we have just global this a like our entry part over here. Now going further, what we are going to do is we are going to say send send is equal to, okay, let's say send a, because we have used send previously over here, so we are not going to use it another time. So we'll say send a and u, and what we are going to do is we are saying plus a dot get, right? So what this will save into send a is something what like this. So you can see here it will print like u hi. So whatever you will be inputting into the entry text, it will be extracted by dot get and it will be printed like this on your text field, that is our black part of the window, right? So let me delete this. Now what we are going to do is, now you know, like if we are making just a simple program, we will say print and we will say send a, right? But we are using tkinter or UI, so for printing in that, what we have to do is we will say text dot insert. Okay, so our text is this one, the black part of the window. So what we have to insert into that is and comma slash backslash n, that will make a new line and we'll say plus send. Okay, so this much we want to send a. Okay, so we have to send a, we have to print this whole thing here, right? So we have use our text dot insert part. So now this will be the another important part, that is if else statements. Like if we will say send a, no, we will not say send a, we will just say a. Okay, we will say a is equal to hi. Okay, so we'll say, okay, I think this will work. And then again what we are going to do is we are just going to copy this whole thing over here. So here what we have to do is a dot get, we have to get it, right? It will not come like as it is, but we have to get it. So here is entry, right? So it will basically work. Now here you can see like and is equal to slash and, but we have to add something new over here, that is bot, or whatever name you want to give your friend. So I'm just giving a name as bot, but here whatever you have to name, like Jarvis, Alexa, anything. Okay, not that, you can even give your best friend names or your name, or any name you can do that. And plus here we will only say a, we won't say everything, but we'll say a, right? Okay, I'm sorry again. So what we are going to do is, oh, come on man. Okay, so what we are going to do is, we are going to say what, and then we'll print our answer, what you want to give that answer of your question, right? Like if you say hi, then your bot should say hello, right? So we'll say hello over here, H-E double H-E double L-O, hello, right? So everything, whatever answer do you want to print, or want to like what should say to you when you have said question, right? So you have to paste it over here, all in this part. Sorry. Now going further, what we have to do is we have to say else statements too. Else we'll say text, we'll just copy these whole things, right? We'll not type it frequently, so I've just copied it. And now what I want to do is, I wanted my bot to give me that answer if the question is not added in our program. Like I've just added one question just right now, is hi. Even if I asked what is your name, my bot should say I don't know. Okay, like my bot should say I didn't get it. Okay, I didn't get it. I didn't get it, right? So our half of the program is done. Now let's run it and see how it goes. Okay, so I will run it over here. I will say hi and just say send. You can see is can only constant, not method to string. Okay. Oh, okay, sorry, I just forgot to put these brackets over here. Nice, anything done. So let's see how it goes. I will say hi, then say send, and as you can see our bot is saying hello. And you can customize this font in your program. Like I will use here font. Okay, so you can use anything whichever fonts you like. Now as I told, even though I ask any question other than hi, or I will say what's your name, name, right? So when I will say send, the bot will say I didn't get it, because you didn't have that question entered into your program. So let's see how to enter the questions. Everything is set for you. What you have to do is just copy this whole part. Okay, these two lines of codes, and then copy it, go down and paste it. And in place of if, we'll say elif. Okay, elif a dot get, if hi, like if a is high, whatever we have entered is this, like what is your name, right? I'll just say w, what is your name. Okay, when I will run this, okay, sorry, I don't have to run this, I have to change the answer of my bot too. So I will say my name is bot. Okay, now when I will run this, and now when I will ask my bot like what is your name, and then press send, then you can see here that my name is bot. Our bot is giving answer as we wanted, right? So for that you have to add questions here, like you have to say alif, again you have to add a question, who made you, then again you have to add the answer to the bot that my boss made me, or you have made it. You can say your name, you can say I'm made by the programmatic tag, and like anything whatever you have to say. So I will add giving you or explaining you again how to add the questions. So just copy two lines of this code over here, then paste it over here, then add, in the inverted comma, just change the question. Say what's no what is your favorite color, right? And I will add question mark. No, we will not add question mark because it will be hard in typing for many users, right? And I have to change the answer over here. Okay, so I will say my favorite color is purple or blue. Let's keep it blue, and then let's run it again. So after running this, you can see over here, what is your favorite color? And when I will press enter, what is your favorite color? I think there is something. Let me see what happened over here. Okay, so as I told you, we don't have to keep the first thing like capital. Okay, so here I will again say it, right? But I have to run it again. Okay, so here what I will say is sorry. I will say, what is your favorite color? And then you can see the magic. My favorite color is blue. Other than these three questions, if you ask anything, your bot will say, I didn't get it. Now the another part of this project comes, like you type and your bot gives the response, but now your bot will give response in two ways. One way is this, it will say right by a text, and the another is by using voice. So now we have to add our voice to our bot, or you have to customize the voice. So for that we have to what we have to do is we have to import one more module called Pi from Pi TTSX3. What this stands for is Python text to speech version 3, and we'll say import star. If you don't have this PyTTX3, you have to just go into command prompt and say pip install PyTTX3, and all the things will be set for you. After importing this, we have to add one more line for this. Okay, what we'll say is voice is equal to Py ttx3 dot initialize it. Okay, now after this we have done with the importing part, and we have just written one line of code here. Now we have to go over here. After when we will say hi, we have to say our bot, or we expect from our bot that he or it is, I don't know, he or she, but our bot will say hello, or okay, bot will say hello only. Now we have created a variable or anything you can see here. Okay, any engine, it is any engine. Okay, so we will use it over here. We'll say voice dot say and we'll say hello, right? And we'll say voice dot run and wait, and we'll have a close and open bracket at the end. Now we have added this thing in our one command only. We have to edit our all the three commands. So another we have to edit over here, and what we have to say is my name is bot, or you can say my name is anything, whatever you want to say. Here is my favorite color is blue. We'll say again, we'll copy this, we'll paste over here, we'll copy here, and so we'll copy from here, and we will paste it over here. Okay, so done, our program is done. Now we will run it. Okay, now I will say hi. We will check from the beginning. Okay, I will say hi. Then I will say, you can see our bot will respond to us as hello, right? Our another question is, what is your name? Okay, then I will say send.
My name is Bot.
You can listen it that my name is bot. Okay, now the third question is, what is your favorite color? Right, now just listen carefully.
My favorite color is blue.
My favorite color is blue. Okay, the accent, I don't know which accent my bot is speaking. So now our half of the project is completed, not half, it is totally completed. But another thing I want to add is, every day add 5 question to your bot, like I have told you. Add, like, copy this whole four line of code, paste it, give your question in this if statement, give your answer over here, and again give your answer in this voice command, and your new question will be added, right? So I will say another new question. For the last time I will explain you. Copy these 4 lines of code, paste it. Okay, now what you have to do is just go here, change the question, who created you. Okay, so my question is added. Now here I have to say my answer, right? So I will say, I am created by, no, I will say in our active voice, programmatic tag created me. Okay, so you can see our answer is programmatic tag created me. I will just copy this whole thing over here and in my voice command, right? Done. I will just remove these underscores because my bot will say underscores, right? He won't understand all the things. So I will run it. I will say, who created you? Who created you? And I will say send.
Programmatic tag created me.
You can listen, programmatic tag created me, and you can also see our conversation is recorded in our black part of the window. Again I will say hi, our bot will say hello, and it will be recorded over here. You can see our whole conversation. So if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. And this was just a simple chit chat friend or a bot. Okay, chatbot you can say. And please go and see the previous video to see or to learn how to make this user interface. So bye bye.